This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. This 3-bedroom/2-bath upstairs unit is loaded with terrific upgrades and offered turnkey, nicely furnished. Highly desirable cormorant floor plan that has a large living room with high ceilings, spacious kitchen and great separation between the master suite and the front bedrooms/den. The fully remodeled kitchen features quartz counters, high-quality off-white cabinets and newer appliances. Both baths updated with newer cabinets and quartz counters. The master bath has a luxurious walk-in shower. Newer LVP floors throughout except tile in baths. Enjoy the lake view from your spacious lanai that has porcelain tile flooring and electric roll-down storm shutters. Accordion storm shutters for all windows. These units have an attached one-car garage and a driveway for parking. Located in the highly desirable resort community of Colonial CC. Includes social membership which offers access to all community amenities plus pay-as-you-play golf. All community amenities have been just or recently refurbished in outstanding fashion. The community features a highly rated 18-hole golf course, clubhouse with dining, community center with full fitness center and classes, multiple pools, tennis, pickleball, bocce and more. Colonial CC has a convenient location, first-class amenities and reasonable fee structure. Truly impressive unit. For more information, review the details below.